everyone. I got a little ahead of myself, opened up the bottle and forgot I hadn't started recording yet, so I'm going to be doing just a quick little video. So this will be sped up because this is going to be for the Friday video, so it's a 10 to 15 minute video. So this will all be sped up for that. So it's going to be polyurethane, and this is a Temu chameleon art pigment. It doesn't say the color, just the number there. I was hoping it would pop up for the bottom. That is a pretty color. I don't know if it's the color shifting's coming through on the camera or not, but I can definitely see the blue, purple, green color shift. My hand's trying to keep a hold of them. So it's weird that the chameleon will show up further away than it does pulled up closer. And I put UV down into the little holes after I put the gold in. I didn't try to do it down in the line because I knew I wouldn't be able to get it down in there. I did try to put gold down in there, which is very difficult to see, but I did get a little bit of gold down in there, and I did try to trace some gold, and I UV'd it down into place as well. I thought I was recording all that, but apparently I didn't. I did use my Beadinkrazy UV resin. The polyurethane that I used is my SRC, which is the specialty resin. Chemical Model Pro Black polyurethane. And that's what I got left of my black. I'll be having to get some more later, especially since I ended up overestimating how much, and I ended up not having something else handy to put it into, and yeah, I had that much left in there, and it cured before I could pour it into something else. And this thing has some other resin in it that is not cured with the polyurethane, and I can't get it out right now. So, because it has 4-hour cure in there, which is more than 4 hours old, and it's still the 4 hours not cured. Because, yeah, it's will not be, as soon as I can get finished using it up, I won't be buying that particular brand anymore. I just can't wait to finish that up. So trying to use into the thin lines, I used the Sharpie oil-based gold metallic Deco Color Premium that I used on the base. Deco Color Gold that I used on the base, and then this is the one that I used in the line and in the little tentacles. I tried to use this to mix in with the black, but I apparently didn't put enough in. This is what I used to brush in the mold. The Chameleon Pearl powder I got from Temu. Art Pigments CHBL26. Whether you can look it up by this or not, I don't know. this is the colors that it came out. Blues, purples, and greens. It's not pulling up really great on the camera, but it actually does honestly show all those colors in person. I've got it on 3 little ducks, the 2 skulls, and the little ring holder tentacle. But all my duck bills ended up with holes in the bills again. I keep having trouble with all that. There's some color going, some blue, some purples, and the green. Now I got to get this edited because it's got to get down to 15 minutes and we're at an hour. So thank you very much, and I've got to work on editing. I'll see y'all at the premiere. Bye. Thank y'all for watching, and I appreciate everyone.